Sum contents in column from starting cell on down without setting an explicit last cell index. I have an Excel spreadsheet and would like to sum the numbers in a column starting at one cell, say, B5, and continuing down to the last number in that column. I know I could just enter a large ending index, like. But ideally I could just say something like. And it would sum from B5 all the way down. I saw this super user question, Excel, is it possible to sum an entire column without setting explicit cell boundaries? Which provides a solution for summing all of the numbers in a column via the following formula. Problem is, I don't want to sum all of the numbers, just those starting in B5 and down. Thanks.
I came up with a hack that works and isn't super ugly. Insert a blank column before B, which will become the new B. Merge the B and C cells above the row you want to start the sum. In cell C1, paste the formula equals sum C. Hide column B. I don't know why it works, but it does.
For Excel 2003 or before. For Excel 2007 or after.
Try this. It works in Google Spreadsheets.
How about equals sum B or sum B1, B4. Obviously it won't work if the cell you want your total in is in the B1, B for range, but it is at least easier to read than Lance's perhaps more proper way.
Easiest way is to put the formula like this. Equals sum B5:2. This way, you just tell the formula that you want to start at cell B5 and sum all values in second column B. I know, I'm late with this answer, but just in case somebody faces this issue, smiley face.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.